Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. This time I will show you how to block application or programs from internet connection using Windows Firewall in Windows 10. First, open your control panel and choose System and Security. Select Windows Firewall and then choose Advanced Settings. Select Inbound Rules. Create new rules. Select Program or Application. Click Next. Then, for this program path, you must find or search where is the installation of your application. For example, I want to block free Mac update. Okay. Then I click Next and choose block the connection. This is the most important in this tutorial. Click Next and give name whatever you want. For example, free Mac update like this. Click Finish and you're done. Your application will block in this firewall. Okay, that's all tutorial how to block application or program using Windows Firewall in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.